And hook pass. Here's ball. Pensalis. Bucket. 4 points. And Buka. Lumipad. Bucket. Grabe. Damaso. Barclays. Damaso. Basket and 1. Damaso. And rebound. Lumumanga. Basket and 1. Mario. Welcome to Congressional Meet. Here's Team Lawag versus Team Bacarra. And first ball possession, Bacarra. Nalos agad yung bola. And here's Damaso. Between the legs. Sumigway. Behind the back pass. Sunulog pass. Corner pass. Nugget. And here's Team Bacarra. And here pass inside. Stolen. And he's on Harry. Bounce pass to the middle. Fakes clutch. Fires. Bullseye. First blood. And pass to number 69.
Florida.
And inside pass. Natapikan. Recover. Sau. Posting up. Inside pass. Hook shot. Don't go. Backdoor rebound. 14 Bacarra. Wild open for 3. Bang! He crossed the mid lane. Damaso dribbling the ball, setting the play. And hook pass. Here's Bautista to Asensalis. Bucket. 4. And 1 point lead for Team Lawag. Here's from to Florida. Goes to the baseline. He spins. Pinasa. Step back. Fires a 3. Won't go. Rebound. Falling away. So, he crossed the mid lane. And no look pass inside. Stolen. And here's Team Bacarra. And Saur. Tuloy-tuloy. Short. Rebound. No good. Put back shot. Bucket. And here's Damaso. Between the legs. And he pass to Sonshon for 3. Won't go. And pass break. And here's bounce pass. Fakes. Clutch fire. No good. And here's Asuncion. Asuncion. He goes out. He passes to the corner. And kicks out. Damaso. Attack. Lays. Damaso. Basket and 1. Damaso. And there's Team Bacarra. Number 18 dribbling the ball. Florida. Between the legs. Posting up. Rombawa to the corner. And kicks out. Florida for 3. Won't go. Damaso. Damaso. He's on Harry. Traffic area. Tatlo yung gumwardya. Iniwan yung tatlo. And Bukay. Goes lumipad. Bucket. Grabbing. And Damaso with the ball. Between the legs. Crossover. Oop! Damaso. Wala. And rebound Damaso. Putback shot. Bucket. Damaso. Pasqua. And this Florida. 3-on-2. Posting up. Florida may foul. And here's Pasqua setting the play. And he pass. Florida. Wild open. 1 Bukay for 3. Bang! Bukay! Change flavor tayo. 11-10 score natin. Bacarra by 1. Here's Bautista kakaldag. Tinapikan. Recover. Pull up J. Damaso. Bucket. Change. And here's Lawa at Bacarra sa gitna. Saur. And here you go. Bukay. Bukay. Pinasa. Black. And here's Soriano. Damaso. Damaso. Lace. Easy to Damaso. Ay. Bukay. And pass to Pasqua. Pass to the middle. Pull up J. Wala. Soriano. Pass to Asuncion. Stop. Umasinta sa 3. Bang! Nothing. Here's Soriano setting the play. Soriano. Corner sa 3. Bang! Pasqua. And pass to number 17 to Pasqua. Pasqua Sumogway. Pass to Florida. Corner 3. Bang! Dian. And Alog. Pass inside. Kicks out. Soriano. Inside pass, fires. Ganda naman nun. And here's Pascua. Here's Tapi pass. Florida for 3. Bang! Backdoor inbound. Corner 3. Good. Tip in pa. At the buzzer. Here's Soriano. Bounce pass to the middle. Fires off the Glindo. Bucket. Soriano. Cross the mid lane. He's at the logo. He passed the ball. Ray Barrett to the corner. Fix. Alog lace. Good. Rebound. And a tips in. And bounce pass. Soriano to Alog. Fix. Alog to Soriano. Use the screen. Inside pass. Fires the alley-oop and the finish. And here's Florida. Pass to Pajarillo. Crossover. Spins. Nakalusot. Pinasa. Picks. Binangba. Picks. Tatlo yun. Open. And you spin the screen. Lace. Na good. Rebound. 3 on 2 ang laban. Florida. Behind the back pass. Pinabitin. No good. Rebound. Picks. Fire. Foul and 1. Florida. Soriano with the ball. Use the screen. Corner. Picks. Rebarit. Inside pass to Damaso. Floater. Here's the lucky bounce. And picks for 3. And recover. Banat. Uy! Pass. Na good. And the follow-up shot by... And a long pass. Damaso. Lace. Easy bakod. And here's Bukay. He pass to Pajarillo. Pajarillo bumangga. Kicks out. Open for 3. Short. And rebound. Pajarillo bumangga. Basket and 1. Pajarillo. And there's a pass break. Romero. Pass to Damaso. Pinasa pa. Sticks. Asuncion. Pass to Damaso. Block! Uy, sumasa pa. Takes. Oh, block! Block pa rin. Grabe yun. Backdoor inbound. Inside pass. Tewes layup. Short. Rebound. Para sa Team Bacara. Florida to the corner. Fix. Pull up kill. Na good. Rombawa. Inside pass. Florida. Wala pa rin. Asuncion. Damaso to Asuncion. Wide open for 3. Bang! Rombawa. He passed the ball. Medrano to Bukay. To the middle. Picks. Sao. Inside pass. Bumangga. Inside pass. Bumangga pa rin. Uy. And Asuncion goes to the corner. Romero, he pass to Damaso. Damaso, use the screen. Pull up J, bucket. Damaso. Romero with the ball. Romero matras. Use the screen. Goes to the middle. Lace, nakalusot. Easy 2, easy. And the pass. Bumangga. Sao. Floater. Bucket. Sao. Here's Asuncion. Posting up. Asuncion spins. Side step. Inside pass. Damaso. Bucket. Damaso. Tumambling pa si Aid. Here's Soriano. For Team Lawag. He stops. Pass to the middle. Bumangga. Bautista. And Alog trades space. Fire. Bullseye. And game clock down to 9. Down to 5. Kicks out sa 3. Bang! 3 points. Bukay. And that's the end. And attacks. Block. Uy. Huli ka boy na technical. Oh. And crossover. Here's Team Lawag. Bounce pass. And stolen. And pass break. And pinasa pa. Picks. Oh, grabe yung ball. Si Bu. And here's Team Bar. And pass pa, floater, not good. Rebound.
Pick up by Bautista. Soriano.
And Soriano here.
Pinababa ang bola. Damaso.
Here's Damaso.
Closely guarded by Pascua. Damaso pa rin.
Damaso. Between the legs.
Pasayaw. Pinasayaw ang depensa.
And pass to the inside. Stolen.
Pinasa sa kalaban. Florida
And
nagpapagaling.
Florida behind the back pass. Kicks out. Floater. Bukay. Bullseye. And here's Florida. Cross pass. Bukay for 3. Not good. Rebound. Bounce pass. And here's Damaso. Crossover. Damaso lumusot. And the pass. Asuncion attacks. Lace. Not good. Asuncion libreng-libre. Easy to Asuncion.
Out by. Pick up by Alog.
Alog sumisiksak. Alog. And 1. Down to 13-point lead. Lead down to 11-point lead. Here's Damaso. Damaso. Posting up. Damaso to the middle. And pass to Damaso. Attacks to the rim. Pinabitin. Bakit? Damaso. Rebound. Umatake. Binekus. Wala. Na-unspo. And 11-point lead. Here's Pajarillo. Sa 3. And Medrano. And a pass to Bukay. Sa 3. Not good. Rebound. Gumanga picks. Clutch fires. Front go. Put back shot. Bakit? Down to 9-point lead. Soriano. Use the screen. Bumanga. And for the inbound, Soriano. Pass to Damaso. Damaso. Pinabitin. Reverse layup. Bakit? Damaso. And here's Pajarillo. Pass to the corner. Posting up. Pajarillo. Bounce and lace. Bakit? Pajarillo. 9-point lead for Team Lawag. Soriano to Damaso. Damaso di diskarte. Attacks. Lace. Bakit? Damaso. For the inbound, Asuncion. To the middle. Here's Damaso. Damaso against Florida. Dancing. Sumasaya. Oops. Spins. Quits. Pass to the corner. Floater. Bakit? Dalagi bounce. Here's Florida. Pass to Pajarillo. Pajarillo goes to the middle. Natapikan is stolen. And alone. And here you go. Pass. Bakit? Easy to. And Damaso. Crossover move. Spins. Damaso the floater. Bullseye. Damaso. And the bounce pass to the corner. Pajarillo. Crossover move. Bumanga. Baldog ang idol natin. And dribbling the ball. Number 18 picks. Bounce pass. Bukay. Stop. Pass inside. Ang gandang pasa and a good fit. Damaso behind the back. Crossover move between the legs. Nagda-dance-dance si idol. And spins. Damaso. Use the screen. Floater. No good. And the pass break. High pass. Pajarillo lace. Bucket for 2. Pajarillo. Soriano drives. Straight to the hoops. Won't go. Rebound pa rin sa Team Lawag. Asuncion for the inbound. Pass back Asuncion. Asuncion di diskarte. Drives to the rim. Bakit? Asuncion. And pass sa 3. Won't go. Bounce pass. And spins. Damaso. Pinabitin. Short. And recover. Damaso falling away. Too strong. Ray. Follow-up shot by Rio. Pascual ay Florida to Pajarillo. Crossover move. Pajarillo falling away. Asuncion. Asuncion against Parillo. Between the legs. He spins. He stop. Wide open for 3. Bang! Any pass. Goes to the rim. Spins. Falling away. Bucket! And this on Harry. Pass. Lace. Off the glass. Bucket! Bukay in the inbound. Inside pass. Lace. Yes, sir. Florida. Rio. Rio, he pass to the middle. Oops. And he goes to the middle. Bounce pass. Inside pass. He fires. Put back. Yes, sir. Dribbling the ball. Cross pass. Pascual. Inside pass. Reverse slide off the glass. Basket and 1. And congratulations, Team Lawag.